Our story began in high school 10 years ago. Where it would take us, we didn't know.
I loved being done with you back then, and I still do. So together I wanted to make silly rhymes like when our love was new. Don't doubt these words just because they're in a silly rhyme. I love you yesterday, today, and until the end of time.
Hiking in the mountains with your partner is a perfect metaphor for the commitment you're making to each other today. After all of your planning and preparations, you have both made the commitment to begin this journey together. I want you to remember how you feel right now. How does the snow feel under your boots? Can you hear the dripping of snow as it melts? Most importantly, can you feel your heart beating inside your chest? And I want you to hold on to this feeling, put it in your pocket, save it for the rainy days when you both really need it.
Our relationship has spanned years of mountains and deserts and snow, and through that time our love did grow.
A decade later, I still choose you to laugh with, play with, and wake up next to.
So today we vow to love each other for all our years, just as now.
And to care for each other as we've always done. Today we join together to become one.
Think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. What's going to be different 10 years from now? Can you picture your relationship 30 years from now?
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
As you, Stacy, and you, Jake, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence, now upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.